Did you know that improper storage can lead to serious generator issues? Don't let neglect cost you time and money. Let's find out how to prevent that. In this video, brought to you by Ultra Prime Selections Inc., we'll uncover the essential maintenance secrets for keeping your generator in top shape while it's in storage. These tips will ensure it's ready to power up when you need it most. Here's the challenge. Many people think storing a generator is as simple as turning it off and leaving it in the corner. Unfortunately, this can lead to major issues like fuel degradation, clogged carburetors, and dead batteries. Imagine needing your generator in an emergency only to find it won't start. This can be avoided with a little preparation and care. At Ultra Prime Selections Inc., we're here to guide you step by step so your generator is always ready to perform. Here's a step-by-step guide to properly maintaining your generator during storage. First, clean your generator. Use a damp cloth to wipe down the generator, removing dirt and debris. Check the air filter and clean or replace it if necessary. Remember, a clean machine is a longer-lasting machine. Next, stabilize the fuel. Add a fuel stabilizer to the gas tank to prevent the fuel from breaking down and gumming up the engine. Run the generator for a few minutes to circulate the stabilizer through the system, then drain or treat the fuel tank. If you're storing the generator for more than 30 days, consider draining the tank entirely or filling it to capacity with treated fuel to prevent condensation and rust. For battery maintenance, disconnect the battery and store it separately in a cool, dry place. Use a trickle charger to keep the battery charged and ready to go. Store your generator in a dry, safe location. Place it in a well-ventilated, dry area away from moisture and extreme temperatures. Cover it with a breathable cover to protect it from dust while preventing condensation buildup. Lastly, inspect periodically. Every few weeks, check the generator for any signs of leaks, rust, or other damage. Turn it on for a brief period to ensure everything is working properly. The most important takeaway? A well-maintained generator is your lifeline during an emergency. Regular care during storage ensures it will run smoothly when you need it most, saving you time, money, and unnecessary stress. At Ultra Prime Selections Inc., we provide the tools, tips, and products you need to make generator maintenance easy and effective. From fuel stabilizers to high-quality covers, we've got you covered. To recap, clean your generator, stabilize the fuel, maintain the battery, and store it in a safe location. By following these steps, you'll extend its life and ensure it's ready to go when it matters most. And remember, Ultra Prime Selections Inc. is here to help you every step of the way. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave a comment with your generator maintenance tips or questions. Don't forget to check out Ultra Prime Selections Inc. for the best products to keep your equipment in top shape. Subscribe for more great content, and we'll see you in the next video.